Hello, I'm going to be talking about prenatal development. In this image, you can see that there are 3 trimesters of pregnancy. The first trimester is month 1 to 3, the second trimester is month 4 to 6, and the third trimester is month 7 to 9. There are many stages occurring during the 9 months of pregnancy. In months 1 to 3, the first trimester, many things are happening. In month 1, the amniotic sac and the placenta are beginning to develop and form. Major features such as the mouth and the throat are finally developing, and blood cells are taking shape and circulating through the baby. Month 2, facial features are beginning to develop. The arms and legs look like little buds right now, but they're finally growing. The neural tubes, such as the brain and spinal cord, are formed, and bone starts to replace cartilage. In month 3, hands, arms, fingers, feet, and toes are finally formed, and the nails are starting to develop on the fingers and toes. In months 4 to 6, more change happens. So in month 4, you begin to pick up the heartbeat on a Doppler. The bone and teeth are becoming more dense, and in month 4, you can see the gender. In month 5, the baby begins to move a lot as the muscles are beginning to develop, and the hair grows on the head. In month 6, the skin becomes reddish in color, and veins are visible through the skin. The eyes are able to open, and the babies are able to respond to sound. In month 7, the body begins to develop reserves of fat and hearing is fully formed in the baby. The amniotic fluid begins to diminish as there is limited room. In month 8, the baby begins to kick more, and vision and hearing is fully developed. In month 9, the lungs are fully developed. The baby can blink, turn heads, grasp, and respond to stimuli. The baby will begin to drop down to the pelvis, and the head will go down towards the birth canal to begin for labor. Alright, thanks for watching.